out and your business out, and you want to give a lot back for your community, so then people see that how your beautiful work is and they can able to come and support you. So I'm gonna top off with like no wipe shiny top coat, and we are going to continue with the next live video tomorrow with a lot of fun designs, so in that way you can enjoy the gel extension application nice and easy today with iHo Omega gels, and tomorrow we're going to really detail into the nail art and crystal creation. Did you touch?
Yes.
It's okay. Really so
We're just gonna make sure it's nice.
This is cute, huh? You like it?
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely.
You should like it.
All right. One more time. Any product you see Nancy use, you can find them on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And if any questions, send us a DM or email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
Taylor, you done for today?
Mhm.
Nice. It's so nice to have Taylor right next door with us. Con đụng vào đó. Tay nào con đụng vào?
Không, nó chỉ đụng vào da tay con, cái này ở đây.
Yep, you'll be fine. So it's just top coat. Be good to go.
This one looks much better. I don't know. Can you look it on? It's like on the screen. It looks good. It doesn't look. It looks much better in person though. Sometimes the videos doesn't do it justice. This one looks cute though.
You can pop some back.
You know what? It's so interesting because I remember those like this little castle like this back years ago when we did as with like I think it's like airbrush. You have to do it like a layer of it. Okay. Oh, yeah, you in tomorrow? That's awesome. See you. Thanks, Taylor.
I have appointments tomorrow.
Oh, see, she booked 5 appointments tomorrow, everyone. I wanted to say wanna kidnap you and then asking you your cool tip and trick how you get 5 clients. Bam, 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 done. In one day. Okay, Kia. See you tomorrow, Taylor. Bye. She's going to get a tattooed on her birthday.
Hey, not every year you got your birthday on Friday the 13th.
That is so cool, though.
And in October.
They're so
no
cute.
less.
They're so cute, huh? You like it?
Con thích take it.
She loves it. She's like, oh my gosh, I